Hello everyone, Johnny here at TorcUP bringing to you our new center lock bolting tool. This will consist of our VTR-1000 paired with our custom center lock bolting arm. One of the major differences between the TorcUP tool and the standard way of doing this is we can now do it with only one person. Typically, you'd either have to unbolt it while the car is already on the ground, or you'd also have to have another person inside the car holding down the brake while you loosen the wheel. After removing your center cap, you then want to grab your center cap socket. This model right here, it's located under the hood. After that, pull the trigger, dial it up to its highest setting, that'd be 1000. I find that to be the best way to remove the center lock nuts. The reason for that is the standard way of doing it with the clicker wrenches tends to leave these nuts way over tight, sometimes double as tight as they should be. This model is 443. Do the math, 900 foot-pounds. Not good. Now that you got your gun all dialed in, you're ready to take the nut off. A few things you're going to want to watch out for at this point. Make sure you're not rubbing against the caliper, you're not rubbing against the brake disc, and you're not breaking the valve stem off. Now that you're sure that you're clear of all the surrounding components, you're ready to loosen. Pull the trigger, put the gun in loosening mode, and just like that, you broke it loose. Now that you've completed all the maintenance, we're ready to tighten back down the nut. First, grab your tool, pull the trigger, dial it back down to your specified torque setting. For this application here, it's 443. You're ready to torque. Flick the switch into the tightening position and pull the trigger. You want to hold the trigger down all the way until you hear a beep and the tool backs off. For this application here, we have to back it off 60 degrees and retorque it again. Now that you're completed, you can remove the tool and move on to the next wheel. At this point, you want to make sure the center is locked into place. To do that, spin that little spindle counterclockwise or clockwise just a little bit. It'll lock into place and it'll mount flush. After that, install your center cap. Thank you for watching the new debut of the TorcUP center lock bolting tool. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via email, sales@torcup.com, or via the phone, 888-TorcUP1. Have a good day.